Hello my friends, welcome to It's Not Electronic channel, and you have another beast on my bench. So again, I was poking around the thrift store and found this one in, I think it's in the kind of broken as is bin, whatever, and I think it was $5.99 or something this extent. I think it didn't even power on, people said. So I decided to pick it up because this is... Oh, I don't know how to show it to you. See this? Sanyo SuperBeta machine. Let me see the number. It is video cassette recorder VCR 4032. So I grabbed it without even powering it up, and it seems to be in a good shape except broken thing. Oh man, I cannot even... Okay, let's try this. Maybe it's gonna be better. This one is a little bit broken here, so there's no cover. But other than that, it's actually look pretty good and pretty neat. So I do have some beta machines in my possession, but I didn't have a chance to play with them because I don't have a service manual. So this one was cheap enough in order to actually start poking around without having a service manual. So today you're gonna see what it is. Oh wow. All this foreign to me because I never had any kind of beta machine, so never had chance to play with them. So I guess this is probably part of my obsession with all this good old stuff. Yeah, probably never had chance to play with it. Now kind of overcompensating for that. Maybe it's garbage, I don't know, but nevertheless I think there will be a lot of goodies inside. We will learn something. So before I'm gonna power this guy up, I'm gonna actually take a look. What if there is something broken inside? What is like it's shorted or something? So before powering up something like that, old, it's probably from like 86 or something to this extent. Does it have any screws on the back? No. We better... Yikes, it's dusty. And we don't see much, unfortunately. Huh. Well, at least we see a transformer power supply, which is good. I think we saw something like that on my one of my other videos, where this STK module and power supply, I'll make a reference right here. The whole power supply blown to pieces. Yeah, and the board was blown. This one doesn't seem like a bit blown, and it's as heavy as the other machine too. So transformer seems to be intact, and this board and the fuse seems to be okay. There's a fusible resistor on there. Definitely see some overheating right here on the power supply board. I'm curious why, unless there is something on the other side. Yeah, it's charred. Okay, let me show you. Oh, yeah. So over here, it's quite a bit charred. Okay, I think we have issues. I think we have a resistor which actually looking a little bit sad, or what it is. Well, maybe not. I don't know. This resistor looks a little bit suspicious, but pretty much it. Yeah, I don't really know what's really going on with this power supply. It seems like the capacitor here are all Sanyo. Well, obviously, all of them. Yeah, this chart area doesn't inspire me. Just not really sure how easy it is to... Oh my god, no. Yeah, this power supply board goes under. Oh, that sucks. Okay, let's take at least this Top board. Wow, this is really complicated. Some corrode in here, I think, but it doesn't look like it's a corrosion of a sort. It looks like just a flux. Wow, this is really, really packed. If you compare this with my other... Oh, okay, at least this... Oh, wow. Ugh. Why everything's supposed to be a challenge here? Oh, I see, just a... How do you... Oh, is this like... Wow, this is how it... There is another shield here, hilarious. I just want to see the match. Tape mechanism. Okay, so this kind of sucks because as you see, all this board is totally one piece. So this is just a transformer which feeds to, like, this is not power supply board, just transformer board. Well, at least. What is this? I would say RF part. What is this? Yay. Checker. A little perf board here, that's interesting too. Yeah, so if I would like to actually detach this power supply monster actually to check what underneath, because I don't believe you can actually drop the bottom one. I think I would have to like dislodge all of this, which is like crazy. Yeah, curious what's heating up here. It's highly likely there is something on other side. Otherwise, I don't know how to explain all this being heat up, because the main thing which is supposed to heat up this big, like I don't know what is this, cheap regulator, like big ass regulator with like 20, how many pins? 15 pins. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. I hope it's openable, because I want to see what condition is the Mac. Ah. Well, it's nicely shielded. Oh, another one. It's too many screws. What now? How the heck? Are you for real? Oh wow. Okay. It's like another screw down there. No. Just latches. Wow. It would be so much better if they just used another screw. Why to make it so complicated? Ho ho ho! Look at this beast! It's clearly dirty. But Oh my god, this is massive head. Head is actually quite a bit dirty, I must say. Okay, I can tell for sure that this is internally rotating head. It's not like in the other VHSs that this head is like rotate. I can just rotate it with the finger, like it's just a monolithic block. And the head is passing through this this stationary head, and little tiny thing is actually rotates right in here in this slot. You see this, you slightly see it on the angle. So yeah, the head is inside of this block, which is actually pretty cool. But yeah, it's clearly dirty, but I see no any kind of signs of damage or anything like stuck. So we can just give it a shot and power it up. Obviously I will replace this with something more plasticky. Okay, if you want to see what's really going on here, let me find the tape. Oh yeah, well, before just powering the finding the tape, I better just power it up to see if it's actually do something. Okay, let's just, oh, it's yeah, at the moment I power it up, it starts showing 8888 for some reason. Okay, okay, so I'm actually poking around right now and try to set some date and stuff. I think I can't really show it to you, right? Can I? No, I see pretty much nothing. This is what we have. It shows 88. Like probably I can. Yeah, I mean, sure. It's actually pretty nice blue color here. I kind of like it. It's not green, it's blue. That's neat. But looks like AM is really dim. So yeah, this vacuum fluorescent display is like it's getting old. Yeah. Anyways, obviously nothing gonna happen before I put some tape in it. So let me put some tape and see how it's gonna go. Okay, so someone gave me a whole box of these tape, not necessarily this kind, but different kind. I have no idea what's on them, and they have like 50 of them or something. So today, this is the moment when I first time in my life trying to put anything into Betamax tape player. Alright, so this is moment of truth here, or moment of historic moment. And nothing happens. I don't think this is a good sign. I don't think it's a good sign. It's supposed to pick up. Yeah. Something is no chuch, no bueno, nothing good. I don't know if it's bueno is what I mean. How to return you back? Okay. Okay. Manually return the thing back to... I don't know, maybe I should put it in some kind of mode? I just have suspicions that I actually didn't power this device properly up. Let me try again, because look what I figured just out. See this? It's spinning. Before it didn't. So let's try again. I would just figure this out by poking some, mashing different buttons. Still not working. Ah! Shit. And what now? Okay, well, at least it took the cassette, but luckily it gave it back. So what, that's it? It doesn't spool it? Okay, should I press the button? So I have to capture this historic moment from multiple angles. So this is play button. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's doing something. Sounding like something. Wow, this is crazy. How about rewind? Oh, it doesn't spool around when rewinding. This is actually smart. Oops, stop. But it sounds like a tractor. This thing sounds like a tractor. This is like hilarious. Well, I don't know, maybe it's supposed to sound like that, but it sounds like a tractor. This is, sorry, my camera just trying to show you. Focus. Doesn't focus that close. Oh, this is cool. Well, yeah. Let me see if there's something. Okay, it's not too warm here, and this guy is a bit warm, but that's okay. So I don't know. So now I have to just I'm gonna assemble it together and hook up to TV and see what I'm gonna get on this tape. If it's just working out of the box, it's a good find. Except the only here is broken cover. Yeah, it's awesome. Let me assemble it together and try to hook up to TV and see what we get. Okie dokie, so now we have assembled this big monster in one piece, and yeah, look, this is actually in pretty good shape. A little bit cleaned up, some dust inside, and we have this tape. I have a whole box of them. Maybe someday I'll show you what I got. And remember, I don't think I showed you any video cassette. I actually have quite a bit of collection of them. I'm gonna try this guy. Looks like it was one of the hiccup when I was ejecting the tape. If this is gonna continue, looks like the ejection belt is a little bit kind of, you know, soft, so maybe this is going to be a problem in long term. Maybe I'll have to replace it, but so far at least we can try it, and I know how to kind of pull the cassette out just using the rotating the little roller there. So let's hook it up to the TV and see what we get. So here we are. This is assembled and connected to TV through audio video a wire, just like a regular composite wire. This TV can do that. So let's see what's gonna happen. So it's powered on. All right. Oh, there is some pictures. Actually, picture is pretty good. Let's pause it and see what's gonna happen. Okay, pause looks kind of weird, but picture is good in general. So I think it just keeps scanning the same line. Keep scanning, keep scanning. Let's do stop. Oh, that's horrible. Let's try forward. Looks like it's doing forward. Let's do rewind. Oh! What the heck is this? Looks like we have an issue with rewind. Oh, it looks like it just reset or something. It's sort of working now. Looks like there is some kind of... Oh. Looks like there is some kind of intermittent issue, so I have to take a look what is going on. But so far I think we have a good picture. I think this thing works out of the box. Yeah, it's amazing. How about tracking? Yeah, okay, tracking I think is in the best position at the moment. Yeah, looks like it ejects properly. And picture is good, so I'm really happy this thing works. I have to, only the thing I have to take a look what's going on with rewind. Maybe when it shuts down like this, maybe there is a kind of overcurrent, maybe this cassette is old and stiff, who knows. So we have to take a look. So I'm probably gonna make another video when we looking at
what the heck is going on with the Rewind. But so far I'm super happy. I got it for super cheap, and now I have a SuperBeta player. Yeah, and obviously this is mono, this is not stereo unit, not hi-fi, unfortunately, but hey, I mean, with this picture quality, I think I'm pretty happy. So guys, I think it's gonna be it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please stay tuned for new video when I take a look what's going on with Rewind here, and stay safe and ciao.